Hi, I'm Dimple Parmar, co-founder and CEO of Lovell's Cancer. We started Lovell's Cancer almost 2 years back when I lost my husband to cancer. His name was Nitesh. We were studying at IIM Calcutta, and that's where he was diagnosed with third stage colon cancer. And during that journey as a caregiver, I realized the need of a cancer patient, and as a caregiver, what all things to be done and what all things are available to us. And last few weeks, I remember that me and Nitesh, we were talking about it and how can we support other cancer patients, and we wrote a mission statement that there are millions of people going through this disease. How can we give them hope? How can we support them? And that's how the journey of Love Heals Cancer started.
Hi, I'm Kishan from Love Heals Cancer. So our main program is integrative oncology, where we combine complementary therapies into the mainstream medical ones. Along with that, we also provide other softer healing approaches. So for example, there is a program called Healing Circle, where it's a small gathering of 8 to 10 people where everybody opens their heart out so that the level of stress reduces, the bonding increases, and it gives hope to everyone to be in a healing circle, because as the name says, the circle heals you. We also have caregiver education workshops where we train caregivers about what all problems the cancer patient might be going through and what are the best things to do in such cases, what are the things that one needs to avoid. Another program is the end of life conversation, which is another workshop. We guide people on advanced directives, we guide them on what all things to consider so that we can improve the quality of our remaining life. We have another workshop called prevention and detection and awareness approaches, and we talk about the awareness on cancer detection, signs, symptoms, and how can you detect cancer early so that you can take the preventive, rather the corrective steps in time.
So to support cancer patients, we do activities such as helping them with the grocery needs or nutritional requirements. Also, we give them supplements, vitamins and sanitary napkins and oral hygiene products. These poor patients who travel from across India to get the treatment, they don't have a family here, they don't have an earning member who is earning for them. They all are here for the treatment. So sometimes they are not even able to afford 2 times meal when they are going through the journey. So we support them. Emotional and mental support is always there, but in terms of things, we support them with all these products. You can also support our cause by helping them getting nutrition and groceries. You can donate it on the donate card. We'll be really grateful to you and really appreciate it. Thank you so much.